The Supreme Court's stunning freeze, $65 million in DEI grants on ice. In a sharply divided 5-4 decision, the Supreme Court has temporarily halted the disbursement of $65 million in federal grants designed to bolster diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI initiatives in teacher training programs. This ruling, delivered in an unsigned opinion, represents a significant setback for proponents of DEI initiatives and throws a considerable wrench into ongoing educational programs nationwide. The crux of the matter lies in a legal battle between the Trump administration and several states challenging the grants. The administration, arguing that these funds were improperly allocated and contradicted national interests, successfully petitioned the Supreme Court for a temporary freeze. This move effectively stalls programs already underway, leaving educators and administrators scrambling to navigate the uncertainty. The court's rationale, while concise, carries weighty implications. The unsigned opinion acknowledges the state's assertion that they possess sufficient funds to maintain their programs independently. However, the justices seemingly prioritize the administration's concerns regarding the irrecoverability of funds already spent. The ruling suggests a greater weight placed on the potential for fiscal mismanagement and the executive branch's prerogative in controlling federal spending, even if it means temporarily halting initiatives aimed at promoting diversity and inclusion. The administration's argument, as reported earlier by Blog, centered on the claim of federal overreach. The core complaint highlighted the judiciary's alleged infringement on executive power by compelling the administration to restore terminated grants, continue funding programs deemed inconsistent with national interests, and ultimately disperse taxpayer money with little to no guarantee of recoupment should the legal challenge ultimately favor the administration. This argument effectively frames the issue not merely as a dispute over funding for DEI initiatives, but as a broader clash between the judicial and executive branches concerning the limits of federal authority and fiscal responsibility. This temporary freeze, therefore, is not simply about money, it's about power. It signals a significant shift in the ongoing legal and political battles surrounding DEI initiatives and the role of federal funding in promoting them. The decision's short-term consequences are clear: a disruption to numerous teacher training programs and a chilling effect on future DEI funding initiatives. The long-term ramifications, however, remain uncertain, pending the resolution of the underlying legal challenges. The impact extends far beyond the immediate financial repercussions, raising questions about the future of DEI efforts in education and the evolving relationship between the courts and the executive branch in matters of federal spending and social policy. This case sets a significant precedent, one that will undoubtedly be scrutinized and debated for years to come, especially considering the close 5-4 vote and the starkly different interpretations of the legal principles involved. The ruling leaves a lingering question: what message does this send about the national commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion? The answer, for now, remains shrouded in legal uncertainty and the chilling effect of a temporarily frozen $65 million.